Good morning, welcome to another edition of NOFOMO's Totally Biased Campground Review. Today we are in Cedar Creek Campground near Fayetteville, North Carolina. And why I use the air quote with this campground is we found this through iOverlander and Boondockers Welcome. This is somewhat a semi-official campground. Mike's been operating this campground with 15 sites for a couple of years, but I don't think they have official kind of approval to do long-term camping, so that's why it's technically free, but they're accepting donations. There's only one site with hookups, which is quite okay for us. We have site number 8, a pull-through site. We're one of 2 campers here today in, November, right before Thanksgiving. There is a central toilet, recycling station and stuff like that over there. And also Mike was kind enough to give us some firewood so that we could start a fire last night. So we had a really pleasant night here. So if you're in the area, I think stop by. And I said in iOverlander or in Boondockers Welcome, you'll have his cell phone number where you can text him your arrival and he can advise you of availability. Okey-doke, I hope you enjoyed this review. Subscribe to more campsite reviews for NOFOMO's Totally Biased Campsite Review, or follow us up with our other videos on our trip as we travel along the US and later on across the world. See ya. And no, we did not see any rattlesnakes. Thank God.